If you're having a nightmare trying to connect Calendly to Airtable, so every time a new event comes through in Calendly and you want it to pull through in Airtable, I've just made this video for you. I have spent the past 2 hours trying to figure out how to pull through the question fields in Calendly to Airtable, and I was following some other videos that weren't really working properly, so I just wanted to make this video that I wish I'd had 2 hours ago. So essentially we want to come in here, and obviously you want to go and find Calendly, and then you want to set up an event to say watch events, and then you just want to, you can either create a webhook, I already have one, but it's really easy to add one. You just click add, you choose the type of events that you want it to add it for. So every time someone is added to an event, and then you just choose, I just say from the list, and then I select my organization URL, and then user, I just pick myself, and then I click save. So once the webhook is created, you just want to go ahead and type in Airtable, and then you want to have it where it says create a record in Airtable. And once it says create an Airtable record, you just want to go in and select project management, or whatever. You just want to go in and select whatever the name of your base is, and then choose your table. And then here, this is where the hard part comes. So client name is pretty self-explanatory. It comes up here anyway. So what you want to do is, so you click on it and it pulls out all of the fields here. So you select name. But where I was having a nightmare was trying to get it to pull through the business name, because the way I have it set up in Calendly, as you can see here, is the first question is, what is your business name? And this, for some reason, I cannot in Make, it doesn't like pull through. So if I try and look here for like business name, or if I search for it, nope, nothing. If I search for name, it just comes up with name, the same name as I've used obviously for client name. And this was honestly driving me crazy. So I've worked out what it is that you need to do. So what you want to do is you want to go to Calendly, and you want to look at you want to scroll down, and you want to find the questions that you have. So this is question 1, what's your business name? So in Make, what you want to do is you want to come in here and you want to go down to question and answers. And what you want to do is select answer if you just want it to pull through the answer. Before, it was pulling through everything, and it was because I wasn't selecting just answer. So choose just answer. And then here, in between question and the answer, you want to put the position of the question. Now, for me, the position is the first question, but actually with Make, the first question actually counts as 0, because that's how the beginning of lists work. So yeah, so the business name now will be question and answer with a 0 and then answer. Now, the other thing to note is it's really important in Airtable, in the field that you have, where it's business name, you have to go in and edit the field and make it long text. I don't know why you have to do this, you just do to get it to work. Okay, cool. So then after that, I want it to pull through the business size. Now, this again was kind of confusing, but what you want to do is go through and find question answer again, select answer, but this time, rather than putting 0 as the position, you put through the actual question. So business size for me is question 3. So that I would go back to Make, and I would put in question position 3. So yeah, then I will just click off this. And now just to test it, I'm just going to go to my Calendly. I'm going to try and book a call. And then I'll book it, say, for Monday. And I'll say, my name's Lucia, metaphoric. So for business name, I'm just going to do test video. What country are you based in? UK. Size of company, blah, 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 doesn't matter. And then schedule event. And then I'm going to go back to Make. Then I'm going to go back to Make, and I'm going to say run once. Okay, just need to make sure, sorry, I've saved that first. So here, just want to click save. Sorry, my laptop is being so slow. Okay, once it's saved, then if you click run once, perfect. So if we click on this, we can see the result. And it's looking like it's correct. So let's head on over to Airtable and see if this has come through. Yes, it has. So you can see my business name, my name, and the business size. And so then for all of these other, I'm going to go now and add these other fields and just make sure that this is all connected to Calendly too. I know it's really confusing and I don't know why they've done it like this. I feel like it could be a lot more intuitive. But yeah, just making this video hopefully to save you the 2 hours that it's just taken me to figure out how to do this. So yeah, thank you.